Welcome guys. Today we are going to see how to install React. So let's get started. First open your favorite browser. So in the search bar type Node.js download and press enter. In the search results you can see the official website download Node.js. Simply click on it. Then you will redirect to this official website and then scroll into the bottom and find out this. In here you have to choose your operating system. For here I am choosing Windows, and you have to choose your architecture. So once you have set your operating system and architecture, simply click on Windows install. Then this will download the Node.js. Once download is finished, simply click on this setup. Then we will get an installation wizard like this. So simply click on next. Then here's the license agreements. Accept it and click on next. In here they are asking for the installation folder. I am not going to change this. If you need to change this folder, you can simply change with this change button and select this folder path you need to install it. Then click on next. Then click on next again. If you need to install necessary tools, you can check this box, but I am not recommending it, so I am going to click on next. Then click on install. The installation has begun. This can take several minutes. So our installation is finished. So simply click on finish. Then you have to open your terminal. For that, press the Windows button and in the search bar type cmd. Then click on command prompt. In the command prompt, you have to type this command: npm create Vite at latest myapp dash template React. Here myapp is your React app application we are going to create. Once we create this React app, you can see a folder named as myapp. This is your React app. So I will add this command in the description section, so you can simply copy paste it in your terminal. Once you copy paste it, simply click on enter. Then it will start installing React. So hit enter again. This can take several minutes based on your internet connection. So here it is. Our React application has been created and it's running on localhost 5173. So press and hold the control key and simply click on this link. So here is our React app. This is the default app given by them when we create a newly React Vite app. So it's working right. Count is increasing, so you can explore the documentations and connect with the community using these links. So let's see how to stop and rerun this application. So simply click Ctrl C here, then clear the terminal, then type cd my app. Then we are on our React apps folder. So here you have to type npm run dev. So this will start our application again. So you can cancel with Ctrl C and start with npm run dev. So this is the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.